Have you ever felt empty even when you are surrounded by people? Let's say you are with your friends or family members, but you feel empty. That feeling like something is missing. It is not always about the depression or anxiety. Sometimes it is the result of living a life without a purpose. And why am I saying this? Because, let's be honest, when we woke up in the morning, some of us, we pick up our phone and then start scrolling. Listen, if this is the thing that you do during your day, then you are living a life without a purpose. You pick up your phone, scroll on social media, you eat, you sleep. Then you repeat again, over and over again. If that's the case, then you are living a life without a purpose. Why? Because you avoid your dream and ignore your potential. Do you know that emptiness that you feel, it's actually your soul crying for meaning? So, how do you fix it? Number one, start being honest with yourself. Ask yourself, what kind of a life do I really want? I'm sure you will get an answer. Everyone have a dream, right? So if you have a dream, never tell anyone, even to your parents or your friends. Because if you tell your dream to your friends, your friend may laugh at your dream. And sometimes your parent may not believe in your dream because they love you so much that they don't want you to take risk in life. So if you have a dream, never tell anyone. Put off that phone. I know phone is a trap, and if you have a phone addiction, then you have a big problem. Most of us scroll on TikTok all day long, chatting on WhatsApp up to midnight, doing nothing. And if you are a victim, ask yourself this question: am I in a business meeting, or is money entering my account, or you are just wasting time and wasting your energy? Unless you are closing deal or learning something that add value to your life through that phone that kept you up to the midnight, then that is reasonable. And if not that, put off that phone no matter what the world says. Because night is not for the empty chat and dead conversation. Night is to rest, to recharge, and to plan for tomorrow. And again, tomorrow is not promised. So, my brothers and sisters, my friends, respect your time and protect your energy.